Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on Amazon Web Service Part 2. In our Part 1, we have shown you how to install, how to download and install all these EC2 of this Amazon Web Service. Here, as I told you that in the Part 2, we'll be covering how to go for this, connecting to Putty as well as the WinSCP. Okay, so first of all, what is this Putty and SCP? What you have to do? Just you open any of the browser. In the browser, you type putty.org. You can find something here, putty.org. Once you click it here, it is opening. Now you can just wait 1 minute. You can see it here, download Putty. And first of all, you can see you can download Putty here. Can you check it here? You can download Putty here. Once you click it here, it will show you so many things here. So first of all, you have to go for a 64-bit x86 Putty. These things you can go for these things. Okay, so these are the things you will be getting. x64 better you go for this exe file, 64-bit x86 Putty exe file. Just you double click this one. Are you following me? So you are going for, this is the MSI file and this is the exe file. You can directly download the exe file, and for that what you need to do, you need to type putty.org, and after typing that one, this website it appears there, and simply go to 64-bit x86 putty.exe, double click this one, it will download, and you can find a copy of that one in our download folder. If you want to see, I will show you the download folder. Already we have downloaded. Okay, so in the download folder we can see putty.exe is already there, putty.exe and putty.gen also. Okay, both the things you can download, putty.exe and putty.gen. So this putty. Once you downloaded, just double click and you go on installing. Once you installed, everything is over, then what you need to do, just you type it here, putty, putty, putty.exe on file, it will appear. Can you see here, putty.exe here? Just you click it here. By double clicking it here, it will ask you to run. Yes, you run it here. Once you run it here, then it will ask you what is the host name for the IP address and all things. Where you get this host name and all things, because already we have run this EC2. In this EC2, you have already seen the instances. You can see it here. In the instances, you can see the IP address. Can you see the IP address 107? I copy this one. 107. All the things it is copied here. So this thing, while you are coming for this Putty installation here, in the Putty here, we can come to here. Yeah, so you put it here, right? Control V. So this IP address you get it here. Then after that, what you need to do, you go to the SSH and you go to the authentication here, authentication, and here it is showing the browse file. It is just, you don't double click, just you click on this authentication AUTH. You got it now? First you are gone for the, again I am repeating, you go to the SSH, expand it, then you click on this authentication here, and once you authenticate, go for the authentication, it is show for this thing. Then you go for the browse. Once you click on this browse, already you generated the key, that is develop key.ppk. Initially it was develop key.pk, and you already converted to in the first video already have seen. So once you select it here and open, then you can see it is there. Then you go for opening that one. Once you open, now you can clearly see the Putty, it is appearing in front of you. Then what you have to do, you have to write some command here for the Putty. Okay, what is the command you have to write it here, that I am telling you, just you observe it here, and I will be sharing also, there is nothing to worry. Here you need to go for first of all ec2 hyphen user. Just type it ec2 hyphen user. This is the Linux and we are using this the thing, ec2 user. So once you enter it here, it is showing authentications with public, it has authenticated you. Can you see it here, the login as ec2 hyphen user, it is authenticated, I did there. Okay, then what you need to, go for the super user. For that you need to use sudo space su stand for the super user, sudo space su space hyphen, just you enter it here. Once you see, then already you are already logged into that one, okay, as a super user. Then what you need to do, you go for yum, then update y, update update, update space hyphen y. Okay, so can you check it here? So update hyphen y. So once you enter it here, so it is updating. You can see some 3.7 kilobyte, and no packages marked for update. So everything it is updated because recently just I have updated all things. Then you have to install some package there. So the same thing you can go for yum space install, okay, install space install, right. Then httpd is one of the daemon, httpd space -y, okay. So once you go for these things and there, so it will be installed, okay. Loaded plugin extras and all the things is already installed and updated is there. Then service httpd you have to start. Service you go for service httpd service httpd restart restart service httpd restart. Can you see it here? So once you enter here, so already service there. Then what you need to go to any of the browser here. So this is the browser I am using, and you open another browser here also. So Control V. So once you place it here and enter, you can see. Can you see the test page here? One instance here it is already showing. You are already connected to the Apache. So you want to deploy anything, you can also deploy it here and all things. For deployment and anything, so what you are able to see the first part of these things, we are able to get the IP address 107.21 like that. The next part what we do, we have to download the WinSCP. Okay, we have to download the WinSCP. For downloading, similarly you go to the any of the browser and type WinSCP. Using the WinSCP, you double click and you can see it is already available here, WinSCP. Okay, so you just go to the WinSCP, click it here. After clicking the WinSCP, you can find the host name here also. The host name you put it there, the same thing as the thing here. And username, you remember, don't give your username. What is the username you are given? EC2 user. If you remember, EC2 hyphen user USER, this is the user already created there. And the password, we are not going for the password. You click it here, and then you just click on this advanced. Once you clicking this on this advanced, then you go for the authentication here. In the authentication, use a private key, it is showing. In this private key, in the 3 dots are there, just click it here. Once you click it here, it will asking you, and develop key.ppk already we have done previous class, and open it. So once you do all the things there, then you click it OK. And once you click it OK, and then you try to log in here, you can see it is already connecting to it. Okay, so username, ACTUR and all the things it is connecting to you. Can you see it here, all the things, search for host and everything. Now you can clearly see you are there with the root owner is the root user, and the permission you are giving read write owner, you are giving all this permission, read write execution, and here you are only execution and write, here only read and execution, here only execution, all this permission is there. So now you are already there, and if you want to use, say suppose I want to use something here there, you go for the any of the terminal and check it here, and it is connecting to you. Can you check it here? So in this EC2 user, it is connecting. Just a minute. Yeah, you can see here. Suppose I want to the current directory, present working directory. Just type pwd and enter here. You can see this is the present working directory. You are in the home and EC2 user, the username. Similarly, what is the list of directories available also, you can check it here. You are there, all the commands are there also, you can check it here. Okay, execute it, no problem. Okay, so all the things it is there. So anyway, all the there is no folder, we have not created anything. So now it is up to you, what are the things you want to do it here. Everything you can do it here. I hope you understand the concept of how to create. So in our part 3 of this video, we will be showing how to deploy one of the website in our Amazon Web Services using this EC2, right? So I hope you have understood the basic concepts. You can practice all the things, and you can download this Putty, and also you can download WinSCP and Putty Gen also you can download. So all the things, this is the procedure to do all the things. If you have any comments and all things, you please do share with your WhatsApp group or all things. And also if you like also, please share, please give a thumbs up, and please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of farewell. Thank you. Goodbye.